My name is Justin Bartlett. I'm with the Technical Services Department with Cemex. I've been here for 8 years. Vertua is a reliable, sustainable product. Starting at our Vertua Classic Mix, reducing carbon by 30 to 50% is a huge impact on the environment. My experience so far at helping customers using sustainable concrete has been a pretty easy transition. It's not much different than what we do on a day-to-day basis. So far, we've gotten great feedback as far as strength, durability, finishing, workability. Everything's been positive so far. Sustainability is for everyone. Everyone plays a part. Cemex's commitment to sustainability and providing an environmentally friendly product is very important for what we're doing in our future.